Hi everyone, this is version Kit and I have downloaded the latest cracked version for GTA 5 and I'll show you that you can get a Bawsaq network in any story mode or any version of GTA 5. Okay, so this is the latest version I have downloaded. I'll show you that Bawsaq network doesn't work, but only one file I'll give you. It is given in the description. It will be social club file. Social club, this one. It will you have to copy this on your game folder and get it to work. Let me show you first. Disclaimer is I didn't create that social club thing. It was from the Fitgirl repack version 1.0.2082. Okay, when I downloaded that version of that cracked game, I saw that Bawsaq network works. Even if you can see, I have no internet connection. Okay, so let's check it out. Sorry, it takes too much time. Um, so I'll show you that uh, on the latest version I've downloaded from Fitgirl, the Bawsaq network doesn't work. Okay, it will show. It shows market down for maintenance. I'll close this game for now, and I don't know if you can see my display. Okay, I'll copy this social club thing and paste it into the game folder. So if you have a previous one, there will be one for sure. You can back it up by just renaming social club to this code and then paste it. Now we will relaunch the game again. This is the latest version, I repeat. Again, the file will be in the description. I will be uploading that. Just see, this is the latest version 1.67. See, the Bawsaq network works. And previously I have traded something. It also works for Leicester missions. From now on, you can have it on any version of GTA 5 cracked version. So have fun, guys.